Welcome to Textron Aviation's Customer Portal. To navigate to the Customer Portal, start by going to my.textav.com. Once here, select Register as a Customer. This will prompt you to enter all of the information necessary to create your account. Name, email address, company if you so choose, phone number, and your address. You will then create a password, confirm that password, and if you would like, you can enter your aircraft model serial number or your aircraft registration. Once all of this information is inputted, select the Next button. You will then be asked to review your account information. Select I am not a robot once you've reviewed your information, and follow the prompts as necessary. Once you've reviewed your information, select Confirm. Your registration is now complete. You will then be notified via email and asked to confirm your email. Once in your email, click Confirm Your Account. Once you've confirmed, you are ready to log in and get started within the Customer Portal.